Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna explore the three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. We will break down how particles behave in each state and look at some simple diagrams to make it all super clear. So, keep watching. As you may know, ice, water, and steam are all forms of the same substance, just in different states. These substances are made up of tiny particles, as you can see here. Those are particles that you can see them with a microscope. So, ice, water, and steam are substances made from very small particles. And those particles behave in a certain way to give each state its unique own properties. Let's start with solids. Solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. What does it mean by volume? Volume means the space it takes. Volume means space it takes. If you have 1 liter of milk and you put it in a larger bottle, does this liquid will fill the whole bottle? Yeah, you are right. The answer is no. It will only take the space for 1 liter of milk. So again, solids have fixed volume and fixed shape. They are rigid, which means they don't change shape easily and they can't be squashed or compressed. The particles in a solid are very close, so if he asks you about the closeness of particles, you should write particles are very close together. Yeah. And they arranged in a regular pattern. As you can see here, particles are arranged in a regular pattern. If you wanna draw it, you should draw it in a regular pattern like this. I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 particles in this column, and I will continue by drawing more particles, but here, and they are arranged in a regular pattern. As you can see here, particles arranged in a regular pattern with a little space between them. They are very close together. What about its movement? Particles of solid don't move freely. Instead, they vibrate around a fixed position. So the movement here vibrate around a fixed position. Because of that, solids have low energy compared to liquids and gases. Okay? So again, what's very important here, the arrangement of particles. They arranged in a regular pattern, and also its movement. Particles of solid vibrate around a fixed position. Now let's move on to liquids. Liquids don't have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container, as you know. But they don't have, but they do have a fixed volume. So they have a fixed volume. So no fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. They are not rigid, and like solids, they can't be squashed easily also. Can't be squashed easily. The particles in a liquid are close together, but they are arranged in a random pattern. So here they are randomly arranged. If you wanna draw the particles of a solid, you should draw like this. They are touching each other, but in randomly pattern. Okay, so again, particles of liquid arranged in a randomly arranged, or you can say irregular pattern. They can move around each other, so it's movement, move around each other, or you can say slide over each other. Both are right. Which is why liquids can flow. If he asks you, what do you think? Liquids can flow? Yes, the answer is yes. Because of what? Because here, as you can see, particles of liquid can move around each other, so they can flow. They have more energy than solids, but still less than gases. Okay? Finally, let's talk about gases. Gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. They completely fill any container. Also, the particles in a gas are far apart and randomly arranged. So the closeness here, they are far apart. And its arrangement, randomly arranged. Because they are freely to move in all directions. So its movement move quickly in all directions. And that because they have the highest energy. So again, what's important here, and the examiner will ask you about it, the arrangement of particles in each state and the movement of particles in each state. So please don't forget them. Solids have regular pattern. Particles of liquid, they have a regular pattern, or you can say randomly arranged. And particles of gas also have a randomly arranged. Solids move by vibration around a fixed position, but liquid can move around each other or slide over each other. And finally, gas, they move quickly and randomly in all directions. As you can see here, the particles are far apart from each other. So if I want to draw it, I will draw it like this. They are not touching each other, and they are far apart from each other. Got it? Now we finished. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or topics you wanna from me to cover next time. See you in the next video, and bye!